In just 1 minute, I'll show you how to add interactive items to your Behance portfolio using Spline. If you want to make your portfolio stand out and grab attention, then this tutorial is for you. Let's jump right in. First, go to the Spline website. I'll leave the link in the description below. Choose a project you've already created or head over to the Community tab. Pick a design that looks good and suits your style. You can interact with it and test it out. If you like it, click on Remix. Then press Export and select Public Link. Finally, click Copy Link. Now, take the Spline link you just copied and place it inside the code I've left in the description. All you need to do is paste your link where it says Put your Spline link here. Once you've done that, just copy the whole code. Then go to your Behance portfolio, click Create a New Project, and from the Add Content menu, choose Embed Link. Paste the code you copied, click Embed, and it will show up immediately. And if you'd like to know how to add a panorama image to your portfolio, check out the video appearing on your screen now.